Are you looking for the latest versions of the Hubsan Zino drone review? If you still don't know, then let me announce that Hubsan has upgraded their Hubsan Zino Pro drone to Xeno Pro Plus version and Xeno 2 drone into Xeno 2 Plus version. For this reason, most of the consumers were asking for a Hubsan Zino Pro drone review. By viewing the whole review, you will get to know more about their upgrading versions. And also, get a clear idea between Hubsan Zino Pro Plus versus Xeno 2 Plus. So keep watching till the end and get your favorite version of Hubsan Zino Pro drones review. At number 1. Hubsan Zino Pro Plus. The most attractive feature of the Hubsan Zino Pro Plus is its 4K HD camera. In comparison, the Hubsan Zino didn't have any 4K camera before. Its Sony 1/3 inch CMOS sensor can gather more information of pixels in different dynamic angles for you. Moreover, it is available to provide 30 frames per second video footage with a short memory backup. Besides, this camera has a 3-axis gimbal stabilizer. The unique part is capturing around 8 kilometers tuned with stunning images and video for its 4K FPV real-time transmission. Moreover, it can capture in single-to-noise ratio and low-light performance. The Hubsan Zino Pro camera can provide a max bit rate of between 60 megabits per second resolution. So to build up your skill in different technical photography, these drone cameras are entirely suitable for all. Xeno Pro Plus is the most stylish-looking drone I have ever talked about. You will love its attractive feature and the foldable design with ash gray color. It can give a stylish kick to your working experience through working with these drones. It is better when your drone can capture more in shorter time duration. It mainly depends on the flight performance. It can take stunning pictures and videos from the sky. In this fact, Hubsan drones are equally qualified. These drones come with unique controlling features. It becomes more valuable to flight the drone. Its soundless flying and able to low-light night flight is superb to work at night also. Xeno Pro Plus 3-hour charging can give you a max of 29 minutes of using effects. Which means it has a battery adjusted with the packaging. As its GPS tracking is connected, you will be able to cover a vast area in this shorter time in a one-time battery charge. Its new flight controller will signal when your battery gets low, and then you should bring back your drone. As a final word, we can say the Hubsan Pro Plus version has some better upbringing than its last version. So it's definitely a worthy product to buy for everyone. At number 2. Hubsan Xeno 2 Plus. If you are looking for the best drone for beginners, well, Hubsan Xeno 2 Plus is great for beginners or those looking for a semi-professional drone category at a limited price range. This Hubsan Xeno 2 Plus FPV drone can be a better option. Its 4K video recording and 3-axis gimbal camera stabilizer can make your image quality even better. Do you need to show the best picture or video that was taken? Yes, the Xeno 2 Plus camera provides you 60 frames per second video with a maximum 100 megabits per second bit rate. Besides, the gimbal stabilization feature can provide high stability in your images and sharp photos when you are shooting with the drone camera. The Xeno 2 Plus is the most impressive and noticeable feature of its night shooting mode. Who loves to take images and photo shoots at night time can easily take this drone for the camera. In low light, the camera will still provide better night photo quality. You have collected for yourself a great choice able camera drone. In flight timing, Hubsan Zino Pro 2 Plus gives a longer time to fly your drone. Its maximum flight timing is 35 minutes, and its hovering and windlessness will be around 33 minutes. Besides, in Pro 2 Plus, its max horizontal speed will be 12 mph in normal mode. Its 3,800 mAh battery can cover a maximum 9 km flight distance in one-time flight. Every Hubsan Zino Pro drone comes with a maximum 3,800 to 36,500 mph battery. If we talk about the battery life, one-time complete charging can give at most 2h flight time. With 30% of battery storage, you can fly around 25 minutes easily. In addition, Hubsan can provide more extended flight modes. It's a great feature of all.